remove these 3 10mm bolts holding the hood latch in place. You use a 10mm socket and extension. Across the front of the grill area, we have these 4 plastic push pins that run across the front. I'm going to use a trim tool to go ahead and pop the centers, lift, and then pull this out. Repeat for the other 3. Go ahead and grab the grill cover, pull that forward, and there's a little white retainer clip right here. Just going to pinch the tabs on that, work that in. This should release our hood cable and give us a little more flexibility on there. On the back side right here, we have our retainer clip. I'll go ahead and try and pop that clip out right here. Use our trim tool here and pop the cable end right here out. We'll slide the cable off to the side and remove it from the latch. And we're going to take our cable end and we need to feed it down inside our retainer bracket there. Use our trim tool, pop that around. And bring our plastic cable retainer up into place. Line this up, pop that in, like so. Drop this down, pull back, and you want to get your little retainer button or clip right here, lined back up. Gonna get that locked in. Pop that in, set this down. Let's get our buttons reinstalled. All right, let's feed our latch down. Let's get our upper bolt started here. And get the other 2 started. go ahead and get those snug down. We're just going to come back with our ratchet and extension, and just to make sure that these are nice and snug.